Yongyue Medical Technology Kunshan Co. Ltd. is a comprehensive high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales and service. With more than 300 employees, our company has the whole process of product R&D, mold design, product manufacturing and assembly, which adopts a professional mold ERP management system and comprehensively introduces information management, equipped with various advanced mold processing equipment from Germany and Japan, multiple sets of film measuring elements, and high-precision testing instruments. And there are more than 40 experts responsible for the R&D and production of industrial automation and non-automation. It has a 100,000 level purification workshop or 5,000 square meters and is equipped with nearly 40 imported all-electric injection molding machines. Strictly follow the standard of 100,000 level purification workshop for standardized operations, and have many fully automated assembly lines. It operates in strict accordance with the ISO E3485 quality system specifications. Also equipped with a physical and chemical laboratory and an independent 10,000-level microbiological laboratory. The warehouse covers an area of about 3,000 square meters, with sufficient inventory to ensure punctual delivery. Products are operated, produced and packaged under automated machines to meet the requirements of DNA, RNase-free and paragen-free. All products have passed CE certification.